In the fourth tab, you're going to create Sparklines and a Scatterplot. First, we're going to compute the total screen time as we did in the previous tabs. So it's just going to be a simple sum function, and we can copy that down. Next, we're going to create a sparkline that's for each character is going to show or demonstrate how their screen time has fluctuated or changed throughout the different seasons. So again, this is just another data visualization tool in Excel. So I'm going to go to Insert, and then over here by Sparklines, I'm going to go to Line. And then the data range is I'm going to select seasons 1 through 7, that data in the first row. And then I already have my location. So I'm going to hit OK. And again, this is just another data visualization tool. We can see how this character's screen time has fluctuated. And we can copy this down. Now I'm going to do the same thing, but instead of doing a line chart, I'm going to do a column chart. So again, I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to go to Column by Sparklines. Same thing. So I'm going to select my data range. So the data for seasons 1 through 7. And then I already have my location range, and I'm going to hit OK. So again, it's displaying the same data. It's just a column chart instead of a line chart. And then we can copy this down. Next, we're going to create a scatter plot, and we are going to compare seasons 1 and 7. So again, a scatter plot is when you want to look at the relationship between two quantitative variables. So we want to look at screen time, which is a quantitative variable, between seasons 1 and 7. So I'm going to select season 1, and then I'm going to hold down Control. So I'm going to hit Control, and I'm going to continue to hold it down while I select season 7. And if you're a Mac user, it's going to be Command. If you are not able to do this, you might be working in Excel Online. You'll know you're working in Excel Online because up here it'll say something about open an in desktop app. If you have that option, you are not in the desktop version of Excel, you are in Excel Online, and you really want to be working in the desktop version of Excel. So if you click on that, if you can click on it, then it'll open in your desktop version, and that's where you want to complete all of the assignments. If you're not able to click on it, that means that you don't have Excel installed on your computer. If you go to the Getting Started module, so the Getting Started module, it's on the main page of ISMS. There is an Excel tutorial video, and I show you how you can download Excel on your computer for free as an OU student. So please check that out. So again, after you have selected these two columns, you can go to Insert and Scatterplot. All right, I'm going to move my Scatterplot down here. I'm going to modify the chart title. All right, we want to add axis titles. So I can do that by going into Chart Design, Add Chart Element, and then I'm going to put in the horizontal title. And again, I'm going to hit equals right away. So I'm going to click on this, immediately hit equal, and then I'm going to click on Season 1. If you are wondering what's on your x-axis and what's on your y-axis, whatever column comes first in your data set is going to be on the x or the horizontal axis. So I know that that's season 1. And again, you have to hit equals right after you insert the axis title. If you click on anything else, then you lose that opportunity to be able to reference the title. So you have to reference it immediately. Now I'm going to add the vertical. Again, I'm going to hit equals, and then I'm going to click on season 7. All right, the next thing that we want to do is we want to insert this trend line, and you can do that by going to add chart element. So just a general rule, whenever you want to add something that's currently not in your chart, go to add chart element and look around. Chances are you'll find it. So I'm going to go to trend line. We want to add a linear trend line. And then this model does not have the equation, but I'm going to show you how to add the equation just because you're going to have to do that for the homework, and a lot of people forget how to do that. To do that, you double click on the trend line, and then if you have to scroll down, but you can see display equation. So that's how you can display the equation. All right, that's it for Scatterplot. If you have any questions on the assignment, please feel free to email me.